Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Be a Beast Beauty, and today we're gonna do Christmas makeup look. So I hope you guys can dare at home, try it out, and if you do, please tag me at LiciusStyle on my Instagram. Let's get to it. First things first, guys, let's prime our little face. We're gonna moisturize. Obviously, before priming, we do moisturize. And excuse my voice, I'm very sick right now. After we're done moisturizing and priming our face, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is gonna be this goldish, very goldish holiday eyeshadow. We're gonna put that all over our lid. We're gonna clean any excess or any extra product. And we're gonna move on to this pretty eyeliner. It's a lip liner, but we're gonna use it for eyeliner. It's in the color red. And as usual, we're just gonna line our eyes. Now, when we have this line in place, we're gonna set it and we're gonna add some shininess to it. But for now, we're just doing the step of drawing it in. Now we're gonna set this in place with a small little brush and some red eyeshadow. I have this shiny red eyeshadow that I like, and as you can see, it's giving it some shimmer to it. So moving on to the next step, under our eyes, we're gonna get a small little brush and some shiny green eyeshadow. Basically, I'm putting this under my eye, and for my waterline, just a green pencil, so we can actually, get some depth to it. Let's move on to the face. I'm using this liquid foundation with a foundation brush, basically, but I like to dance when I do my makeup, mainly because I was listening to jingle bells and I was listening to Christmas music. So moving on to a beauty blender, we're just gonna dab the product in so we don't have any strokes of our brush, and we're gonna set into place with this contour palette. I'm getting first the clear, let's say the lightest shades, so we can set the T-zone under our eyes and expression marks. So we're setting all that into place, and we're gonna move on to the contour part. Let's get the dark shades and put it under our cheekbones. Let's put it in our foreheads. Let's make that forehead a little bit smaller, the illusion of our cheekbones popping out, and of course our lippy lips. I'm putting a little bit with an angled brush of dark under my lips and over my lips on my cupid's bow, so we can get that depth. We're gonna move on to blush. Now, I've got this pink little blush and I love it. It's so subtle. It literally matches with everything. I put it a little bit on my nose so I can have that youthfulness. And we're gonna move on to some highlighter. Get a small little brush. It's like a detail brush. And get that highlighter popping for your Christmas look. So let's get that on our little nose, the bridge of our nose, the top of our cupid's bow, and top of our cheekbones. That will give more dimension to your face and it'll look glam AF. Now that we're done with this bomb ass highlighter, we're gonna move on to eyebrows. Now I've got the NYX Fill and Fluff pencil, eyebrow pencil, and what I'm doing is I'm outlining them, then I'm filling them in. So it's a lot easier that way. You can see where you're actually going once you're actually filling in. So I recommend that step a lot if you're filling in, of course, with a pencil and not powder or any other product. Next up is outlining our lovely lips. Now I'm using a darker red than what originally I'm going to be using, but I just want to create the lines, because mainly when you wear a red lip gloss or lipstick, it kind of tends to go up our little smiling lines. Do you know what I mean? It just kind of moves from the actual lips. So we're gonna curl our lashes. We're gonna do the last little bit of detail to our eyes, which is gonna be in the inner side of our corner with some lip gloss. It's very shimmery, that's why I like it. And we're gonna put some mascara on. Now, once we finish our lovely mascara on top and bottom, we're gonna move on to our red pretty Christmas lipstick. As you can see, it's so much brighter, so much more holiday. And we're gonna just add a little bit of gloss just to give that dimension, as I mentioned before. And we're gonna do the same for the eyeliner. I'm gonna put some gloss and set all this into place. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked it. Very Christmas, very holiday spirit. And yeah, I hope you can recreate it at home. Hey guys, welcome back to the end of the video. I hope you did like this video. It was a very glamorous Christmas look. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Love you guys. Merry Christmas.